Today in this video we are going to study about the biology. Another topic we are going to learn new chapter which is human health and disease. In that we are going to study important and main concept where most MCQs means questions will be asked, which is cancer. So cancer and its detection, cancer detection, and how cancer is formed, how causes of cancer, and how tumors are formed, and how will be diagnosis and treatment of cancer we are going to study. In this we are going to study about introduction, means how tumors are formed and how tumors will be formed, what are the property to increase in the numbers of cancer, and we are going to study about blood cancer, brain cancer, and etc. So this video will be under 5 minutes because we got many student reviews that they told that they should complete their syllabus, their important topic which they already learned in their classes. So in 5 minutes or 6 minutes, so that they could manage the time. So time management will be done. So for this, so we are going to do this video in 5 minutes only. So let us start. Okay, what is cancer? Cancer is something abnormal masses of tumors or abnormal masses of cells is called as cancer. So first we are going to differentiate the normal cells and the cancer cells. Normal cells are the cells which will normally grow in our body, like what we see, the skin cell, tissues, which are there in the which they will consist the cells, they are the normal cells. So normal cells are something which will commonly grow with a common division and with a common growth and with a common common environment making together with it. Whereas cancer cells are something like tumors. So first we are going to study about the tumors. Tumors are something which will be abnormal mass. So neoplasm. Neoplasm is an abnormal mass of cells which will be cancerous. So these are called as cancer cells. Again, cancer cells is the cells which are abnormal in growth. Means that you can see a place where abnormal growth of cancer, like cancer cells, which will be mass of cells will be done. So that place or that part is called as cancer cells. So now next we are going to read two types of cancers, and after that what is the why do cancer increases in body, and what are the factors which will support the cancer in the body to increase and develop in our body. So next is how does cancer forms, and two types of cancer. So two types of cancer. One is benign cancer, which is non-cancerous cells. So first and another is malignant. In that between also pre-malignant will come. So first benign tumor. Benign tumors are tumors which will be capsulated but differentiated, which means they will be capsulated as other cancer. You know that cancer have some capsules which will protect them from the external damages. So benign tumors will be capsuled and differentiated, and they will be non-cancerous. They will not form. They will form only tumors. Like in our mouth, examples are in our mouth. The cancer will be formed in some kids. So that is also cancer. It is benign cancer, and they will be non-cancerous, means they will not spread. In future, in next classes, we are going to study about the features of cancer. There we will study how to classify a tumor as cancerous or non-cancerous. So here, benign tumors are non-cancerous because they will not spread to a place, and they have some properties which will be which we call as metastasis, and we will study about later. So this is you simply think that the tumors which are formed as abnormal mass, but not as cancerous, means it not show the cancer the properties of cancer. So these are called as benign tumors. The next is pre-malignant tumors. Pre-malignant tumors are the tumors which will be first it will be an abnormal mass, and first it will be a benign tumor, or first it will be a normal cell, but after, due to duration of time, due to course of time, it will convert into cancerous cells. So these are these types of cells are called as, or these types of tumors are called as malignant as pre-malignant tumors. And other malignant tumors. Malignant tumors are the tumors which will be they are cancers. Firstly they are cancers, and abnormal mass of cells which are called as cancers. So and again, what are the properties which are helping this helping a cell to become a malignant tumors are the first thing is metastasis. Metastasis means the process of primary leukemia in your body. Somewhere a cancer will be located, and afterwards it will go it will cut off from its place because of it lacks a protein. It lacks a protein which will be present in it. So due to that lack, it will spread to another part. So it will due to blood fluids, it will spread to other bodies. It may go to brain cancer, and so it may go to brain and cause of brain cancer, and bone cancers and blood cancers, etc., which will cause a big damage. So one is metastasis, and another is contact inhibition, where this is a property where normal cells have the property to stop other cells which are in contact which are showing uncontrolled growth. See, here is a normal cell, and whereas here is a cancer cell. As both touches each other, then what happens? The normal cell which will be present, it will stop the growth of the abnormal cell, which take it as cancer cell. So growth of cancerous cell. Whereas take it as another cancer cell is present and normal cell is present, but cancerous cell do not have the contact inhibition process, which means the cancerous cell which will be present after getting contact in normal cell, both will both will form mass and grow abnormally. This is another property. So this is about the cancer and how it will spread and the differentiation between normal and normal and cancerous cell. So thank you. If you have liked the video, like if you have liked the explanation type of explanation, so like, share and subscribe for next video. In our next video we are going to study about the cancers, like cause of cancer and treatment of cancer and diagnosis and detection. So thank you.
Game over.